Yo, 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 yo. What up, everybody? What up, what up, what up? Um, Sorry I was running a little late this morning. I gotta fix my screen real quick, then we'll set some levels. I think SPY was popping in pre-market. Uh, right after that data came out yesterday, I think 10-year bond auction or something like that. Um, I caught some puts, took a nap. They ran 100%, but I wasn't able to actually get the 100% because I was asleep. I didn't set a take profit or stop loss, unfortunately. I did get 50% on that, and then I took SPY calls at the very end of the day, in like the last maybe 5, 10 minutes the market open. What the hell? There we go. What's this shit at the bottom of the screen now? I don't want that at the bottom of my screen, bro. Alright, that's cool. That should be good right there. Okay. Let me add my face. Video capture device. Make sure y'all can hear me right quick. Alright, y'all can hear me. Shit. Let me move this. Let me see something. Okay, that should be good. Let me see. Market's about to open right now. About to get over there. Let me put my shit over here. Alright, there's that. Send the link out to a couple people. Let me get over to the market. What's today? Friday. We need to update this. 10 a.m. Michigan consumer sentiment. Okay, so we got some shit. I was debating on holding them calls end of the day yesterday, but I didn't. Good spot, bro. I had 437 calls. Wow. Looks like 432 is pre-market low. It's just gonna be a crazy trend day. Good spot, man. Let's mark up AMD because if we could catch that, that'd be nice. It looks like pre-market low, right? 753, just about. Check pre-market high. Let's get back to spot right quick. Man, I left so much money on the table yesterday when I was taking that nap. Not catching that 100% trade, man, would have been nice. Dumbass shit. I didn't want to set a stop loss because I didn't want it to get hit, but I should have set a take profit order. I could have at least done that. What's AMD doing, bro? I expect SPY to maybe pull AMD down a little bit if SPY doesn't hold here. AMD looks weak today. Last Friday we had what, like $11 move? What the hell's Roblox doing? Piece of shit. Roblox ain't doing shit, bro. I did take a SPY 438 call. We're up about 5%. Just looking for a little scalp. Shit. Now we're down 4%. I grabbed Roblox calls for that possible gap fill on the daily, but we got SPY, keys, all those loaded up. Let's delete target. We don't need that in here. Coin, I don't need that either. AI. SPY, AMD, Qs. Let's get Meta marked up. I know Amazon was nice yesterday. Meta off pre-market levels. Tesla too. If you're in here, if you could drop a like or a comment in the chat, that'd be dope. Alright, there's SPY popping. We're back up 8% on SPY calls. Take profit if it can't get above this. Where the hell's pre-market high on SPY? I didn't mark it. Trying to hold above pre-market high right now. I was hoping yesterday that we would gap fill on SPY as well. Fill this gap right here. Gaps are kind of like magnets. It kind of needs to go through there to get money needs to change hand. There needs to be liquidity, things like that. Haven't took a sip of my drink yet, so I'll do that. SPY really bounced pre-market up like about an hour ago. No, that was a couple hours ago. It's Friday though. I'm gonna try to have some good vibes today. Have a good time doing it. Let me drop the thing. Broncos QB Russell Wilson has a coach ban and it got what, like 2,000 plays on it. That's insane. Let me see if I can pull it up on Twitter. So Sean Payton's plays got exposed last night. I'm trying to see that on Twitter. JPA football. Bro, I don't know what happened to him. I feel for him now. Played a game with those burns on his face. Alright, I can't find it. I'm going back to the charts. Let's just get a trend day, man. Let's just get a trend day. My cord's all straight. Plug my laptop in. Shit. What up, bro? Brandon, I appreciate you stopping by, man. You've been holding us down. You've been in here the past few days. I appreciate that, bro. So yesterday, right after I got off, I think it was like the 10-year bond auction or something. I stopped by my cousin's live. He trades too, Ivy League trading. I'm actually probably gonna have him on in a couple days. We're gonna start doing stuff together, maybe once a week, live trade. I am in a 438 call, about to take profit probably. We're up like 9%. But that data came out yesterday. I took puts right before I took a nap. Just a couple, like light, and I didn't set a stop loss or take profit. I didn't want to set a stop loss because it was bad news, and I figured it'd keep going down even if it bounced back up. And a lot of times you set a stop loss, it just hits your stop loss, and then it still goes the way you wanted the trade to go. We're up 10% now, 15%. But anyway, I had a 100% trade while I was napping, and I completely missed my exit. Oh, look at that pop on SPY. We're up 30%. Look at that, bro. That's beautiful. 35%. Starting off the day with another banger. Let's go, baby. 40%. Let's go. I love it. We are at, how much higher can we go? We're going to take profit right here. Come on, fill me. Don't play with that. Don't play, bro. Hold on, I'm not all the way out yet. All right. Let's see. All right. I'm out here. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Now it's going to really run. I know. Yeah. Damn, bro. Son of a bitch. It's always great to start the day off with a nice, like, I'll take my first trade light, very light, but it's always great to start the day off green, especially on a Friday. But I had them puts and I took a nap and completely missed my exit, bro. It was 429 puts, 1 day expiration, and so I bought them for like maybe $35, and they ran to like 110. I ended up selling for like $15 profit on each or whatever. So ended up running like 30% for me. But I had a 100% trade that I just let go. And then also, end of the day yesterday, I was just sitting by my computer the last 20 minutes because I was up after that. And just took some spy calls end of day yesterday. Let's look at that right quick. So I think I took calls like, I think right here. I think right here, yep. And then I was still holding my contracts through after hours for a few minutes. Then I let them go before 4:15. I didn't even take a sip of my coffee yet today. Appreciate you stopping by, man. You really help us out a lot, bro. Give me things to talk about, hang out. You got good vibes, good energy. That's what I like, man. I can't be mad at a 50% trade this morning. So even if SPY does rip, we can look for another position. Look at all that green from pre-market. Where the hell? Yeah, right down here. 432 to 436. Did you say you found me on Weeble, Brandon? I think that little Twitter thing on Weeble where you post and stuff, it's that stuff's pretty cool. You getting into anything this weekend? I'm supposed to have my kids come down, but they might not be coming, so word. So as a parent and stuff, you'll be waiting like, all right, I got a weekend without kids or whatever. And then when you get that weekend, it's like, bro, I'm bored as shit. I don't got nothing to do. That's always happened to me, like ever since I was younger too. Like once you don't have your kids around, when you usually do, you don't know what to do without them. I don't think there's no daylight savings this year. I think the clocks stay the same all the way throughout, like for now on, forever. I'm pretty sure because they passed a bill on that. All right, so we got out at a good time. We could always re-enter. We took our entry like right here somewhere. Let's go on the train ride. Look at the scenery. Oh, really? Train ride? I've never been on a train. I always thought it'd be cool to get on one. Let's look at these levels. Yeah, that's dope, man. Hold on, let me move this volume shit down. Why does this look like this, bro? Okay, because it's pre-market, that's why. Trying to clean these charts up a little. So we got pre-market high. We hold again right here. You could take calls, honestly. Um, we'll see that. I'm not in a rush to do anything. We already got one nice trade, so bullet train, never a regular one. Oh yeah, dude, I had crazy dreams last night. Like I think it was because I don't know if you heard about the Israel stuff that's right now. Like the Muslim leader is calling for like acts of violence today, on this Friday, like today. So I had this crazy dream, bro, that there was like riots in my neighborhood and like it was wild. I live like about 20 minutes out of Baltimore. I'm not in the city by any means, but I didn't live here though when the riots happened a few years ago in Baltimore. 'Cause that was really bad. I couldn't imagine what that was like. I usually wait to see how high or low we going. Yep. So like, even if you wait like 2 hours into the market, like you just get a sense of all right. Say we come back here again and then really go down. It's like okay, um, and then we end up getting balled up down here somewhere. So you got a range and you got an idea. But yeah, I am looking for a nice trade today that I can like just really smash. Not no crazy gain or anything, but just like a nice like trade that I can size up on a little bit, get like a nice 50%, call it a day. I'm gonna be on here though still till like 12:30, 1. Yeah, it is, man. There's some wild stuff going on out there. I'm not into like all the politics. I don't know everything. I really don't even watch the news because I prefer not to watch it. I watch the local news, but from what I know, like that little country that's fighting Israel, I know they're terrorists and stuff, but I thought Israel was like much bigger and much stronger, which I'm pretty sure it is. But I guess if Israel were to try to kill all them at once, maybe it would be like mass casualties and there would be like friendly fire and stuff. That's just my guess. I don't know. I have no idea. What kind of setup do you trade on, Brandon? Do you just use a laptop, phone? Might break down below this pre-market lit or pre-market high. I'm gonna see if sellers step in again. They were strong yesterday, all day yesterday. Like the selling, like was just, um, they just overpowered the buyers. It seemed like. But that trade would have been nice while I was napping. All right, let's look at the daily right quick. So we came halfway up this gap. We need another $1.50 to really fill it. Yeah, and Crohn's is very hard to grasp what's going on. Alright, just your phone? Yeah, bro. Huh. When my mom used to live in Florida and she was in Destin, pretty sure it was right next to Pensacola, and they had like a huge Force Base and stuff, and you could hear the jets flying around all the time, bro. It's crazy. There's an Air Force Base, couple or not an Air Force Base. There's a couple military bases up here by us. I mean, there's a lot. We're in Maryland, a little ways out from D.C., but uh, there's one like 15 minutes from here. It is scary being on the East Coast, right between New York City and D.C. If something ever were to happen, uh, probably happen around here. We're about 40 minutes from D.C. D.C. is the worst place. Like, if you ever had to go through there, we came through there on the way back from vacation. I was joking with my girl. I'm like, hey, there, I thought it said we were like 20 minutes from our house. I didn't know DC was that close to us. Well, maybe like 30 minutes. And I'm like, yeah, look, there's the Washington Monument. She's like, oh, really? I'm like, no, it ain't the Washington Monument. I'm like, we're in Baltimore. And then I look up, before we know it, we're in DC. And we were sitting in traffic there for like an hour. And it was like 12 o'clock at night on a Sunday. I don't know how people get in and out of that city because it's just so jammed up. But alright, so as of now, we made a higher low. I guess we're gonna try to push through up here, unless sellers step in right here, and we make a lower high, and we start to go down, get a close below pre-market high, and possibly see a little downside. Maybe we're waiting on data. There is data. Always keep an eye on this stuff, Brandon, if I'm not on too, because, alright, we got data in 8 minutes. That stuff can send the market. Let's see exactly what this is. The University of Michigan consumer sentiment for the U.S. was revised higher to 68.1 from a preliminary of 67.7, retreating further from the 2-year high of 71.6. The gauge for current economic conditions fell less than initially expected, although it remained below 75.7 in August, mainly due to expectations over personal finances, which slightly. It's so hard to understand half this damn data, bro. Alright. Previous is 68.1. Forecast is 68. Census. Do we want Michigan consumer sentiment to be higher or lower? I'm going to find this out. Is a higher or lower consumer sentiment better? When consumers are optimistic, they will spend more and stimulate the economy, but if they are pessimistic, then their spending patterns could lead to recession. I just need to know higher or lower, bro. That's all I need. I don't got time to read all that, bro. Okay, so higher sentiment means buyers are feeling more confident about their prospects, so that should be good if we go in higher for Michigan consumer sentiment in about 6 minutes. As of right now, this will be a lower high. Do you watch college football at all, Brandon? Or NFL? Actually, my favorite college team is the Florida Gators. I actually been to their stadium when I was younger, the Swamp in Gainesville. Also went to a drag race there too. My dad drag races and has race cars. So I always was at a racetrack when I was a kid. I wonder if anyone's got a heads up on this Michigan consumer sentiment number and buyers start to take this up before the data comes out. I still got that Roblox 35 call for next week. So Spy's trying right now. Let's check out Meta, see how these pre-market levels worked on these stocks. Okay. If you went long above pre-market high, you could have made a little bit of money. I would watch for a rejection again to go down further on Meta. There's more. I don't got that one marked up. IWM. I haven't traded this in a while, but you can get nice moves on it. Um, Airbnb. Apple. So Apple at 180 level yesterday completely just took off. But I guess we kind of came back down. Amazon. Okay, let's get back to the SPY cues. Oh wow. I wish I had I'm gonna find something this weekend where I can like play it and we listen to like when news comes out and stuff. I'm not gonna buy the Squawk Box or whatever the hell that thing is. I think the Squawk Box is I don't know how much it is a month. How much does the Squawk Box cost? $72 a month for the Squawk Box. Uh, what's a free stock market news website? Alright, data's about to. Shit, my ledger. Data's about to come out. AMD's not too strong today, so we took AMD calls. Not yesterday, but the day before, end of day. We made out pretty good yesterday morning. They were almost in the money. 112 calls. AMD's just got to cool off. It's been doing very good lately. Roblox is just. I don't know what the hell that's going to do, even though there is a gap on there. Alright, let's see if some volume comes in right here. See what happens. If you're in a position, I'd keep my finger on the trigger. Is SPY not moving? What the hell? If I had to guess anywhere, I would go with the put side. Remember, the initial reaction doesn't mean very much sometimes. Like this red candle, we could get this balled up and literally rip. I'm gonna take a lot of 430 put. $15. A lot of buying coming through on the tape. Nice candle down. Did not size up on that. I'm not sizing up on that. Look, some nice move down. We're up 30% on our put. Let's see if we can keep going. Damn it. Still up 13%. I didn't even look at the number yet. 63. Hold up. Did it not come out yet? $67.7, is that it? $67.7. So it came in worse than expected, as far as I know. This forecast is 68. That could have just gave bulls a great reason to buy. I mean, just that dip right here. That's a $1.50 from a high day. $1.60. I appreciate anyone watching in here right now. Trying to get to 100 subscribers. This is just my trading journey. I like to come on here, hang out, uh, just talk stocks, trading, try to build a little community with like maybe 10, 20 people in the chat daily that just hang out and throw call outs in there and just drop tickers and whatever they see. What else? And I usually drop a video or two like once a week. I did a pre-market high and low the other day. I did a trading economics video, a couple others. So our goal in here is just to make money, have fun doing it, learn stuff. I can learn from you guys can learn from me, all that. So I still got my put. Let's see if we can make a nice move down. It's way out the money. It's a 430 put. There's data and stuff. You don't really know what's going to happen. Even there, the data is worse than expected. We could still get balled up and go up. Because something sent this market up this morning, it looks like, in pre-market. Like, we were all the way down here, and we just came straight up, it looked like. So, it looks like SPY's trying to hold on. It could start trying to flag. I would like to see another large candle to the downside and break this level right here. Because it looks like this is some support. The longer you consolidate at a level, the longer money is changing hands, the liquidity, all that. It's really going to make it tough to break it. I would like to see us turn this candle red and just can fall out of bed. Wow. Did you take any trades yet today, Brandon? If I had to bet, I would take put side, short side, but you never know. Need to see some volume step in right now. Take this thing down. It's gonna happen. It should happen. Should happen right here. Let's do it, baby. Let's do it. Let's do it. Do it. Do it. Take that volume to step in. Why does my chart look like this, bro? What the hell is this? Is the RSI at 30? I can't tell in the 1 minute. Where the hell is the RSI, bro? It's at 54 on the 15 daily. It's at 50, 1 minute. It's down here. Alright, let's get some downside, baby. Here we go. Here we go. That's nice. So we are. What is that? So 56% trade. We might hold on to see if we can get a little more. It's a light position that we took. Still currently at 43%. We don't want them to just run this thing right back up and lose all profits. If we could get another move down, like another dollar move down, this contract will really be nice. Still up 20%. We're at 50%. We're trying to be patient here. It's a light position, small contract, so like we're not really pressed. It's not gonna hurt us if it breaks up and above. Risk to reward. If we took this down to pre-market low, this contract would be like probably like 400%, 200, 300, something like that. If we can close below here on the 1 minute, I really like it still. I don't like it if they flip this candle green. Alright, so SPY is going to try to reclaim this pre-market high. I think sellers still step in and we take this thing down a little bit. We're 30% right now. We could get out of this thing, but I'm trying to look for some upside on it. 37%. Let's go, SPY. Let's go, baby. Now we are 43%. Let's go. 50% again. Let's try to make this 100% gain, bro. Come on, baby. Flip this candle. Still at 43% now. 50. Okay, here we go. Let's go. Break below. 56%. So we called what, a 40, 50, we called a 40% off the open SPY calls. Then we called a 56%. This is what we do over here. Yeah, yesterday I had one red trade on some SPY calls. I was a little impatient with those, but we had 2 red trades since we've been doing live in 2 weeks. Other than that, everything's been green. Here's 62% here. If you sized up on this position, it would have been very nice, but it was data, so that would have been very risky. But let's see if we get a little more on this. This is what we try to do, though. And remember, I never encourage anyone to take the exact position I did. This is just what I'm doing. This could have went to 0. So none of this is financial advice. This is just where I live trade, hang out, talk stocks, and all that good stuff. It would have been nice to size up on this, man. It would have been a nice trade, but never doing that with data coming out. Still at 56% right now. $56% return on your investment in what, like 5 minutes, 10 minutes? It's about 15 minutes. Let's get some more downside. There we go. Nice move. Because if I sell this, I know it will be in the money in 2 hours. All right, 62%. There we go. Beautiful. Look at that. 68%. Let's get some more. Let's get some more meat on that. As a trader, if you're sized up on something like this, you take this all day. If you're green, you take that and run. This is a low risk, high reward trade for me. All right, 80%, 81%. Beautiful. I screenshot these so no one can say I'm lying about this. That I'm not taking positions. I know there are people that do that, that say they're in a position and don't. Look at that move, baby. Come on, give me a little more. See if we can get 100%. Come on. Come on. Let's go. 87%. If we see this green 1 minute candle close above, then we'll exit. We're going to be a little more patient than I usually am. So we got SPY puts 87% at the moment. Well, now they're probably like 75. Let's see if sellers can still hold it down. Flip this candle, come on. we're still 70% at the moment. It's about to shoot up. We're gonna get out. I'm all out right there. If I got filled, yep. Beautiful. Bro, stop playing with me. How the fuck? Why did my account? Like, what the hell, bro? I must have another contract that hurt me this morning. Either that Roblox. Yeah, it's the Roblox because I took a bunch of my profits from that. Look at that, man. More downside. Good morning, Professor. What up, bro? What up? What up? We caught, wow. More downside, bro. Damn. So we just got out of spy puts about right here on this green candle. They ran 87%. I got out about 70%. Um, it was a low risk, high reward. We got it right after data came out. The Michigan consumer sentiment, as far as I know, wasn't good. So it was lower than expected. So we got that. That was a nice trade. And then off the open, we took SPY calls for about 50%, 40, 50%. I bought them somewhere around here. Yeah, because I held through this little bit of drawdown. And then we came up and I took that up here. So it's a great morning already, man. Some good momentum. Uh, unless something really nice presents itself today, I obviously will probably trade again. But I've been looking for that one trade that I really like that I just wanna size up and smash. But um, we're gonna see what happens. So when you get that itch out, when you get a couple green trades, like you kind of got the itch out. Like I'm okay if I don't trade the rest of the day. You know what I'm saying? So appreciate you stopping by, man. You always stop by. You always support. I appreciate it a lot, bro. Even if it's just for 5, 10 minutes, it helps. Let me post in chat right quick. I got another subscriber today. I appreciate it, man. I hope they stop by and check out the live. So we got quite a good bit of gains this morning already. I think I have two red trades since I started the live. I took a SPY call going into data like middle of last week, like Tuesday or Wednesday. That was the first red trade, and then I took a SPY call yesterday off the open, off pre-market levels, and it just didn't hold. I had two chances to get out. One chance I would have been green. The other chance was below break even, and ended up taking it for like a negative 10 to 15% yesterday. So two red trades since we started, but over shoot, just in 1 week since last Friday, we've had like over 3,000% worth of gains from top to bottom. Uh, Majority of them gains were SPY calls last Friday when we got $11 move on SPY, and I called 426 and 427 calls. I sold them things for like 50, 70%. Unfortunately, they ran like 1,500%. $50 would have went to like, I don't know, 1,200. And then Monday we called Q calls. Tuesday, Hotlanta in here called out Q calls. He called that one out. And that was a big banger. Um, Wednesday, what did we catch Wednesday? I'm trying to think about Wednesday. I don't remember Wednesday. Did I not trade Wednesday? And then yesterday we took that little loss. So we got out just the right time on these puts, guys. So obviously we could have caught this. That probably would have made it 100% trade, which is what I was looking for, but I can't complain. I don't chase them 1,000%, whatever. Like if I hit those and they come to me, that's amazing. But I'm cool. I like to stay consistently profitable and take profit. There's a year or so while I was trading that I did not. I was always looking for that big trade. When you're looking for it and pressing like that, it's not gonna happen. And you're just gonna let green trades go red. I'm gonna mute up real quick and run my dog out right quick. I'll be back in like 4 minutes. Let's keep an eye on Spy, see what she does here. Be right back. I'm back, y'all. I'm back. Uh, you're in? Yeah. I might take a little long. Let's see. I might wait a second. My dog's eating this bone. Let me move him so y'all don't hear it. Peanut, get it over here. Over here. Uh, did you scalp that real quick, or are you still holding? It's gonna be a hard shot for next hour. Yeah, I was thinking about taking the long there, but I just wasn't too confident. It would have been a nice quick scalp. You are holding? Okay. See if we can just hold this right here. Maybe I'll look to enter. I don't scalp, I day trade. I like when people are honest, always real about it. I mean, an hour from now, people could say, yeah, I caught the bottom and I caught SPY right there at the 434.14. Like, anyone can say they did something in hindsight. I just don't like this right here. It's a lower high as of now. Lower high, then another lower high. But if we can hold this right here, and that looks like some support. Where are we at? Usually for hours, my average trade time. Yeah. Fucking Roblox calls went to crap, so like, yeah, I'm still green on the day on my Robin Hood, but they're a week out there. But that's why I usually stick to my SPY, Q, AMD. AMD's down a couple dollars today. SPY's green and Q's are red today. Yesterday, Q's were stronger. Tech was strong yesterday. Let's look at the markets right quick. Oil and gas, health, a lot of things are green. My watch list is all red besides Microsoft, CVX, HD. There you go. You got some nice buying right there, bro. That's nice. Very nice. This candle says a lot. It's bigger than these two candles alone. These two red candles from Monday. What are you saying, Brandon? For Monday? Would have been nice to catch that right here just a minute ago. Would have been very nice. And then you could have just set a stop loss. Your risk to reward was definitely there. Low a day. Take profit at pre-market high. This is interesting. Might get a 441 for Monday. The only thing I would say about that, like, I don't know which way we're gonna go, because like I said, I usually look at things more just that day, like micro. But if you don't get a nice move up, um, the contract deterioration with the weekend and stuff, and any news that could come out this weekend with Israel. But if it's just like a lotto type deal, like, yeah, I'll say go for it. Obviously, do you regardless. But these are just my thoughts. Damn dog barking. I'm gonna look at 441s now. Yeah, that's a nice cheap contract, Brandon. It's already 65% today, and we're down here. So, damn it. Would have been nice to grab spot right here, bro. Damn it, bro. That would have been very nice. Even if you sell an all out right here, that would have been nice. But yeah, that 441 doesn't look like a bad contract. It's not that expensive. Say we get a move back up to high day, and say we push higher to like 438 or something, you could be all out by the end of today and not even hold it. That's what's nice about grabbing them contracts a couple days out or whatever. You can literally still make money just on the move up and not even have to hold it. My app messed up. Damn it. I would have liked to grab that right here. I honestly should have. There's a lot of support down here, it looks like, as of now. Look at all that consolidation. Um, Trying to think. Trying to think. Sellers are still there, but I feel like buyers are going to step up and take this thing up. Damn, that would have been a nice little entry, bro. You just catch them two candles and you're set. See you in an hour, bro. All right, man. Stop back by, and yeah, we'll be on till probably 12:31. Sean Lindo. Who's Sean? You get my spy put. Oh yeah, Sean is NoremTrades, right? That's Sean, right? Did I get your spy put? I grabbed spy puts after right after Michigan consumer sentiment came out. It ran to like 90%. I took profit at 70. Chop's gonna be real before we see big move up. Yeah. I would have liked to size up on this right here, bro. Catch those two candles and be straight. Yeah, NoremTrades. What up, bro? Thanks for stopping by. I didn't catch your spy put. But I did get spy put as soon as I saw that the data was lower than expected. 130%. Yeah, I never got your message. You tweeted it. Did you? What time did you take that at? Let's see. I don't miss. I gotta start doing more call outs on Twitter, man. I don't know how these dudes build up their followers to like 70, 80K on Twitter. Like Money Motive or whatever. Bro literally has a crazy following. Hey, you took Google yesterday, 430 puts. Yeah, I think I probably took puts at the same exact time as you. I took them, I was in, I think right here. Right here, yep. Sold about, I think I sold about here on this candle. Down here somewhere. Or it could have been these candles, I don't know which. I held through one of these, and then I got out on the second red candle. Anything you see, bro, just call it out in the chat. Professor took some calls right around here, low day so far. I would have liked to just quick scalp this thing. I was thinking about entering calls. I didn't like it too much. But after we came back to here, just those two green candles would have paid nice if you grab some good contracts. Where are you from, Sean? What part of the states you live in, bro? Excuse my dog if y'all hear him eating his damn bone. I gotta move him if it's too loud. Let me see. Let me listen on my phone. Yeah, let me move my dog, bro. He's doing too much. You gotta eat that over there. Eat that over there. Put the puppy in here. He's doing too much out there. Put the puppy in here. He's doing too much out there. It's too loud. Sorry about that. SPY 434.40, huge level. Had to lock my dog in the room, eating his damn bone. Yeah, ain't no telling, bro. Ain't no telling what's gonna happen, man. We did have bad data. I mean, it wasn't like crazy bad, but it wasn't good, so we could turn down the rest of the day. Look at this. Everything is red. My whole watch list is red besides Microsoft and SPY. I don't even know how SPY is still green. I'm guessing oil, gas, healthcare. I mean, all this is green, which is interesting, but I don't know, bro. Damn, I wish I would have held them puts. Imagine if I sized up on them puts, bro, and grabbed like at the money contracts, like 433s or 434s. That would have been beautiful. If we go to pre-market low, I'm gonna be pissed. I had 430 puts. I don't know if we see it today. I wonder if we should look for another entry on puts, but I don't know. I think I'm gonna just stay patient. It's Friday. I'm not trying to do too much. I got two nice trades this morning. I wasn't heavy in them. I didn't take a lot of contracts, but it's good for the morale, confidence, energy. Keep the energy high going into the weekend. Only two red trades since we've been on here. There was a spy call and a spy call yesterday. And we've been on here for 2 weeks now, I believe. Um, I do think people buy this dip at some point, just like yesterday. Would we get down to like 431 something yesterday? I was napping and my puts ran 120% or whatever it was, 150%. Didn't set no stop loss or take profit. Shit. Alright, let me let this dog out of my room now. Shit. I'm back, y'all. Sorry about that. Put on this stupid ass shirt. Alright. Dude, bro, you gotta take that bone somewhere. Take it somewhere. Take it somewhere. You gotta take it somewhere. Damn, dude. Fucking dog trying to eat his bone right next to me. What the fuck? There's quite a few places to enter for puts. This was a nice re-entry. At that level. Were you on here the one? Yeah, you were the one that told me. It was like my first or second stream. That, the freaking dog, bro. Someone came to the door or something while I went out to smoke. And he barked right in the microphone. Yeah. So since then, I found out how to mute my stuff, so I just go here and mute up if I hear him barking. Yeah, that's my boy. I don't know what I'd do without my dog. He's about 4 years old. He's a German Shepherd elk hound. I got a picture of him right here. But it don't, the picture is kind of jacked up. Like it looks like a little like schnauzer or something, and he's like a German Shepherd, so I don't know. I said earlier, my cousin, he does live trading and stuff too. He's been in the game for like, I don't know, 7, 8 years. So me and him are talking about doing something next week. Maybe we can start like a weekly thing where we stream like every Friday together or something on both our channels. Thinking about doing something like that. It'd be cool. And maybe have one of you guys on sometime soon. Give always every bark. Damn, dude. If my 430 puts that I had are in the money by the end of the day, it probably is my luck. I swear. And I grab calls and puts way out of the money too. It's like things that you wouldn't even be close to the money. And it's just interesting sometimes, like the exact contract that I got and sold is the exact one that like gets into the money by the end of the day. I wonder if Professor has a stop loss on these. He says he doesn't scalp, he day trades. I would have took that. That's just me. I take profit. Who knows? Maybe I could have held after this candle and then got smoked right here and been at break even, so still held and then came down here, and I'd probably still be holding. I'd be watching this exactly right here. So I could have done the same damn thing. But because after you see these huge candles, you think, okay, that's a lot of buying. Maybe we get up here to pre-market high. Yeah, why does this? Okay. Damn, bro, are we still going down? He said, "See you now." Yeah, I know. I don't know what. Hopefully he's good. Are you still in Portsmouth? And then Brandon and 441s ain't doing too well either. I don't want to just take a put entry just to take it, like. But damn, the SPY could turn itself around too. I don't have no bias. Whatever happens, happens. I would like to see SPY come back up to here and then maybe go back down. Or if we get down to this pre-market low and bounce, that'd be nice. Just somewhere where I can take a position. What y'all getting into this weekend? Anything? Let's check Qs. Qs are down almost $2 and SPY is still green. Damn, bro. Fuck. Oh my god. Dude. That would have been such a nice trade. I mean, if we were still holding, yeah, it'd be great. But if I would have grabbed some different contracts and just like put a little bit of size on it, man, I probably would have been all out by here anyway. But damn, son. Okay, bro, that's a lot of selling. We'll be up in 30 or so. It's a lot of selling, man. Look at that. I knew the data was bad, but like, come on. I mean, I didn't think it was like crazy or anything. Shit, what the hell's on my hands? Damn it. Let me grab a paper towel right quick. Fuck. Let me grab a paper towel. 1 second. Shit, bro. Shit. Are you kidding me? Fuck. Are you kidding me, man? It's always on a Friday, too. Are you fucking kidding me, son? $430s would have been like fucking 300% now. Damn it. I should have sized up and took a different position. I hope Professor got out of this. I really did. Uh, we all take L's. I took an L on the calls yesterday. Damn it, man. Phoenix, chill. Damn, bro. Why'd you say that 430's coming, Sean? Just because the consumer sentiment? Was there anything else that told you that? How much of a move was that? That was another $1.50 move that are you shitting me, man? Well, sometimes when you think the day's done, you miss the move. Like yesterday, it was choppy all morning and stuff, and people might have thought they missed that move after SPY died after that data around like 1 o'clock. But then we saw a nice move up after that. Let's look at hourly and see where that was from. 431.24 back up to 434. So let's see if SPY tries to hold this pre-market low. Doesn't look very strong. Phoenix, you gotta stop, bro. Damn, man, that would have been nice to catch like some 433 puts or something instead of them 430s. Or just sized up on the 430s because that would have been a 300% trade. Hindsight's always 2020, but damn. Fucking dog, bro. Were you in the 430s as well, bro? Google 139 put 137 from point 50. Yeah, that's nice. You've been killing it on Google. Yeah, you must have been in the 430s as well. That's funny. We grabbed the same thing at the same time. I wasn't even on Twitter either. It's always that's good because that shows that someone else is seeing what you're seeing. Obviously, the move happened. I did say to myself, because I'm about to sell this, I'm sure they'll be in the money by the end of the day. But now, if I grabbed more contracts, I would have held one or two. But um, the nitties, you don't do. Uh, I didn't know you did call outs like that often. I will though. Where are you? Yeah, the Broncos only had 82 passing yards last night. Are you kidding me? Sean Payton was talking all that trash and he's gotten washed. He said the last coach did the worst coaching job in history. Yet he got 70 points put on his head. I turn on notifications. Damn, bro. I'm glad I didn't trade in the past 20 minutes or so. I mean, if I took puts, I would have been happy to trade them, but the call side right here did look promising, but it could have just been a fake out. So I know sometimes, right? So you see how we're down, like all this downside. Okay, so in the past, I'd be like, all right, where are we going to bounce, right? Where can I catch the call side? Because it looks like the put move has already happened. Like, how much more is on that? So let's look for the call side somewhere. But by looking for that, you're going against the grain, and you can get really screwed up on that as well. Um, you don't want to chase puts here and then it bounce on you. We are almost at pre-market low. And then you don't want to chase calls here or look for a bounce and the trend continue downward. It's hard. It's tough when you. But like yesterday, we had that big dip down. I'm sure people loaded up on calls. People started buying SPY. And we saw a decent move back up. So I would like to see some buying here and just see this hold up, see a little volume. But I'm gonna tweet out a banger. Do you got buying power? Yup, yup. 227 bounce level. Yep. I was looking for that right now. I just pulled up my account. But I am cautious. I am very cautious about it. I would keep a tight stop loss. I want to wait another minute and see what happens, and see if like maybe we don't even get to down here before it gets balled up, but I want to see some real buying. Yeah, pre-market low. Yep. I'm still not like I was just saying a few minutes ago there, like sometimes I used to do this in the past looking for the bounce and you still get smoked because it still goes down. So like either way, man, you can get smoked if you take, I mean, one or the other. It's gonna go one which way. Uh, let's see. Calls are super cheap. 434 call, $56. 55. I want to see some signs of like a reversal or just at least some buying. Imagine if we could go back up, bro. Go back up to like 435. That'd be nice. They're trying right here. They're trying to hold us. I'm thinking I want to be careful too. It is Friday. And I want a decent sized move as well. I don't want to just come up to right here and then reject and go lower. Make a lower high. I'm probably gonna hold off on this. Let's see what happens. I do got your notifications on if you enter, bro. Everyone follow NoremTrades on Twitter. MOTHZ Trades. I'm not confident in either side at the moment. I'd be more scared going in calls, even though we're at pre-market low. Just because of all this red. So much selling. And we have made a humongous move up since last Friday. Damn it, bro. We missed so much money. You're welcome, bro. I'm always gonna shout you out. You support, you pop by, even if you only pop by once a week. Like me and you talk every other day on Twitter. I appreciate you. Um, for 31, 24 days. Damn it, dude. In the past 1 week since last Friday, we could have took $100 account probably to 4K, 5K. It's just you gotta find that happy medium. If you have a bunch of contracts, yeah, you can take majority off, let the couple runners run. So that's like the perfect way to go. But if you only have one or two contracts, you want to lock in profit. Like you try to find that happy medium and take profit, but still try to maximize your reward. Yeah, I'm glad I didn't take calls here. This could be another reason to get short after we close below this. But I mean, how much more is left on this thing? But it doesn't look. If buyers can't hold pre-market low, then what the hell are they gonna hold? It's just crazy. Them 430 puts, man, or $52. We had them for like $12, $11, whatever the hell it was. It's insane. That's 400%. Imagine if we grabbed like 10 of them things. Damn it, dude. So sometimes, right, they will come right below the pre-market levels or a certain level and fake people out, hit their stop loss, whatever it may be. Maybe people that just bought calls here are getting their stop loss hit, and then we go up from here. That could happen as well. But so much selling, bro. What was yesterday's low of day? I want to know where that is. 431.24. Look at that move, bro, on the hourly. Damn. Imagine if we bought like 50 of them contracts for like $8 or some shit. That'd be like $400 to like 3,000 or something. 2,000. Yeah, that's what I was exactly what I just said. I think. Yep. Um, but you know what's interesting? What I was just saying too. You know how they like to go below these levels and hit people's stop loss and fake them out. This happens all the time, bro. People think we bounce at the level. You wait, you be patient. You come below the level, and then it gets balled up. So that's something to always keep your eye on. I'm sure you know this, bro. You've been trading them in it, but just saying in general, like this stuff happens all the time. So I'm sure people that bought calls in here got stopped the hell out below pre-market low, and now SPY's gonna make a move back up. We'll see. I don't know. I have no bias. I would like to get calls at low of day. Not low of day. Yesterday's low. Exactly what he said. 31.24. You playing any earnings next week? Next week, Sean. That'll be funny if SPY rips after fucking stopping people out, bro. That'll be hilarious. Alright, so right now this is low of day. Are we gonna make a lower high again? What up, bro? Steve, we caught SPY beginning of the day. Calls 40%, and then we caught puts from right here after data came out. We knew it was going down. So we got out around here. Look at this move on SPY, Steve. There's contracts that went from like $8. They're at like $60 now. Or 55 or something. They went to like 55 or 60, something like that right here. You could have bought $100 worth of them contracts, right? And took that thing to 500-600 bucks almost in a matter of 1 hour, hour and a half, whatever it is. It's crazy. Let's check the Qs real quick, then we'll pull up the 5 minute. And you gotta always keep in mind too, where's Qs at in SPY, and where are the levels on Qs that you need to watch. So SPY is above pre-market low, Qs are below it. That could hurt SPY. Um, Another reason to go down. It's dropping bad. Yeah, it was crazy, man. I didn't think the data was that bad. I knew it, from what I know and understand, it was bad, obviously, and you see the move happen. What's funny, Steve, is Sean was in the same exact position as me. We both grabbed 430 puts at like the same exact time, and he wasn't even on here then. But yeah, them things ran to like 50 bucks. I sold at like what, like 25, 30, something like that, which was still almost 100% trade. But you just grabbed a call, Sean. 4,400 call at 0.20. I've never traded SPX. I've only traded SPY. If we can hold right at this level right here, let's see what the calls look like. Let's see what they look like. I think I'm going to be a little more patient. I know I don't usually stay on here past like 1, but I wonder if there's some type of move in the afternoon we could catch. Google 150%. Wow, 140. Google's at 141? Huh. Wow. I didn't know it was that high. Let's see what Apple's doing today. 181 to 179.50. Well, that's 182 basically up here. VIX going up. Where's the dollar at? Where the hell's the dollar? Where is it? There it is right there. Dollar going up as well. Wow. So let's see what SPY's doing now. I expect SPY to go down further if the dollar pops. Long tall liquidity grab. I thought Google was still sitting at like 130. I'm gonna leave this up for y'all real quick. I'm coming back in about like 3 minutes. I just gotta grab something real quick. Um, we're gonna watch SPY at this area. We're gonna see what happens. Do you guys like the 1 minute, the 5 minute? Um, 2 minute chart. We'll go in between. We'll leave the 2 minute up. I'll be right back, y'all, about like 3-4 minutes, and then we're gonna wrap up in like an hour or so. Apologize for leaving, guys. I just had to run my dog out once in a while, use the restroom. Um, and try to catch one more trade today. Man, we caught some nice ones today. I was trying to hold that put a little longer, but for anyone that wasn't here the other day, I hit my head on the freaking corner of the bathroom sink the other night. I got a huge gash in the middle of my head. I thought I was gonna need stitches, but it didn't bleed too bad. And thank you for everyone that came through this week, man. Having 5, 6, 10 people in here, 11 one day. I appreciate it. It's awesome. Just remember all my trades. Shit. Hold on. My bad. I called Tito's bottle with my forehead and got a mean gash. That's funny. Sorry about the dog, man. Fucking barking, bro. Um, yeah, dude, it just happened 2 nights ago. I was so mad. Damn, dude, Spy is really, what the hell was I saying? We'll probably hang out another 30 minutes till about 12. Try to catch one more trade, but we're not gonna over trade, do anything dumb. It's Friday. We wanna end the week strong. Follow Moth Trades on Twitter, MOTHZ. That's Sean in the chat. Follow Professor on Twitter. Let me see his handle real quick. Um, Professor Vert, VERT. Um, who else? I don't got Brandon's handle or anything. I don't know if he has Twitter, but he just started coming through this week. Appreciate him coming by. Um, I hope whoever got calls up here had a stop loss, especially if there's 0 date expirations, because I mean, we could get a move back up above it, but how much of a move higher do you need to be profitable in that trade? Because them contracts are gonna just completely deteriorate. So them 0 date expirations can be very dangerous. But I think I was saying, remember, all my trades are just my trades. I say them to help people, so possibly people could make money, but I could lose every trade for the next 2 years. So remember in my bio and everything, it's not financial advice. It's just exactly what I'm doing. It's my trading journey. I just stream to have fun and hang out with people and just have a nice little community where we can all help each other. But just remember, any trade I take can go to zero, um, and they're subject to change at any time. I could literally exit a trade before I even say it, and the stream is 15 seconds behind or so. So that can hurt you too. Bro, them 430s are gonna be in the money, son. Look at this. Are you kidding me? Could have re-entered right here on some, but them contracts are so expensive compared to earlier when we had them. Had them. Damn, dude. Yeah, and Moth Trades isn't financial advice either. It's just what he's doing at the moment. So, damn it, man. But we're good. We're lucky. We had a blessed week. We had a blessed past 2 weeks. Like, we've been very good. Like, for my first 2 weeks live trading, to have only 2 losing trades when we've traded every day. We've taken a position at least once every day. I'm 99% sure. So And we've probably taken like at least 20 trades on here so far. Um, the goal right now is to build the YouTube up, get 100 subscribers, have 10, 20 people in here daily hanging out. After that, the goal will be like 500. Trying to get the Twitter really going, the TikTok, all that. I try to post all those when I have a good trade and stuff. It's hard to build a following. It's hard to get people to support, bro. There's friends I've had since I was younger. You ask them, yo, subscribe to my channel, bro. Like, come hang out. It's like pulling teeth trying to get someone to sub your channel. So to have people that I met online, like Moth, Professor, Hotlanta, a couple other people, to have people that I literally met on social media following and hanging out, like that means a lot. There's people I know, like in real life, that trying to get them subscribed, like they won't even do that. So it is definitely hard to get people to support you. I know everyone's not into trading, but I feel like if people watch this, if you know how to buy options and you know a little bit, I feel like if you watch these streams daily and hang out with us, I feel like in like 2 months, your trading could be at another level. And then also, I have my Weeble set up in a video. I got all the EMAs, the RSI, the MACD. I have two separate charts I use. I use this one with the RSI, MACD, and then I got this one. They both have all the EMAs, and then we got the Fibonacci, and what else do we use? And then the pre-market levels. I just made a video on that as well. They've been insane. Like yesterday, they weren't the best, but just about every day they've been like amazing to trade off of. For example, you get a close above pre-market high, you can take calls. That's what we did this morning. Close below, you take puts, and just off that, you bank today. Um, Could have got faked out right here and hurt, trying to hold this pre-market low, but we could still go up. Looks like there's a little bit of support right here, but just using those levels make a huge difference. Yeah, it's crazy sometimes. Strangers, I know, man. It's wild, dude. Like my buddy Steve, my brother, a couple other people definitely been in here, uh, and I appreciate them. My brother used to trade. I taught him how to trade. He hasn't really traded much lately. I think he took calls with us the other day and made some money. But Steve, he don't trade. He still pops in. I'm trying to get him into trading. Uh, he's probably gonna start trading soon. But yeah, for sure. Like it's crazy. Like people I met on social media hanging out, supporting. Like just to get someone to click that subscribe is like I've talked to people and they're like, "Yeah, I'll check out your channel, come through." There's people that came through and don't even hit subscribe. I'm like, bro, if you just hit subscribe, that helps out. And plus, you'll see all my stuff when it pops up if you do want to hang out. But Sean, I post all my calls on Snapchat. Some people say it's a scam. That's funny. Um, One day we might have a Discord and stuff. I feel like that's so much work. Maybe a year from now, I don't know. I wouldn't even want to put in all that work and there'd be 3 people in there. Also, shout out to my boy Caden at Unity Trading, UNITY. He's got a Discord, it's free. They talk in the chat in there, hang out, they do post call outs and stuff. I stop by there once in a while. What else? What else was I gonna say? I feel like it's right around the corner. Um, I got this heart that pops up on the chat, and it's hard to see like certain words, but shit. Thankfully, I have 2 laptops. I do got a Mac computer too, but that's my fiance. She uses that for work. And plus, my setup is on the other side of the basement. What'd you do with them calls, Sean? Did you do anything or no? I wonder if we stay above 430. data do we got next week? Let's check some stuff real quick. So it is about to be earnings. We did have some earnings this week. Empire State Manufacturing Index on Monday. We got retail sales month over month on Tuesday, 8:30 a.m. before market opens. If you don't already, please use tradingeconomics.com. It's amazing. Everything important highlighted in red. You go to calendar, or you go up here to countries, then you hit clear, United States, and then you're set, or whatever country you're in. So nothing crazy next week, really. So Fed Powell speech on Thursday, holding at 0.18 from 0.20. Okay, that ain't bad. So you got a few dollars out the money then. Let's also look real quick on Twitter and check earnings whispers. All right, I'm pretty. So this is next week. We need to take a picture of this. I can do it. Let me take a picture on my phone right quick too. Uh, shit. Earnings whispers. I'm just saving it on my phone, then I'm gonna go through some of these real quick. Okay. Save the phone. And we're gonna continue posting reels and stuff like that. It's just it takes a lot to post all those. But TikTok, Twitter, IG, follow us all there. NoremTrades, MOTHZ, Professor, Vert, VERT, Hotlanta, V Stops. Monday, we got some banks. Tuesday, Bank of America, United, Interactive Brokers. What's Interactive Brokers stock look like? I never saw them. I wonder if we could take a call here in a minute. Interactive Brokers Group, $85 stock. But please check out my Webull setup. Any beginners that are in here trying to get like the moving averages, estimated moving averages. So those can all work as support. I watch the 1 minute chart a lot. We're on the 2 minute, damn. I watch the 1 minute chart a lot. Some people don't even like to look at it. I like to watch the price action personally. So that's just me. But obviously I check all time frames, 5, 10, 15. I'm trying to get the close over that pre-market on the 5, the 10, 15. I got my Webull set up on there. It'd be a huge help for anyone. Like, it took me a minute when I first started trading to get my Webull set up how I want it. You know what I mean? Go to indicator settings, get all indicators on that video. So some of the indicators come with default settings, and some of them you'd like to leave them like that. But there's a couple, the moving averages and stuff, you want to type in how I have it. So color code them, all that stuff. Let's see what we do. Is my chart not moving? Like, what the hell is happening? So we almost touched yesterday's low. Didn't quite touch it though. But I like seeing buying happen down here almost 2 times now. So, um, let's see if we can get a quick scalp on the long. Let me pull up my Robinhood. Where's the volume at, bro? Is there no volume? Do you see these candles, bro? Yeah, Sean, what if we traded like this, bro? Wouldn't that be dope? Or these? That'd be insane. Hotlanta uses these. I can't use them. I don't like them. I like these and these. pull up my. It's hard to call it right now. Like, there's no volume at the moment, dude. Is it 25,000? Is that really how low on this candle? Like, what is going on? I've never seen spot move like this. I mean, a few times I've seen it move very slow. I know, right? Imagine trading off this, son. That's insane. And then these, like, I'm sure people use these in other countries and stuff, and they have reasoning for it. But like, how the hell do you trade off this, bro? But how Atlanta uses these, I can't use them, dude. That's like, it's weird. It's very weird. I like these, bro. Shit. All right, I might take a call. Let's see. Um, Maybe a 434 call. Let's see. It's $44. There's some volume. I just grabbed one. Let's see if we got filled. Did we get filled? Nope. Did we? Watch, we get filled if the candle turns red and goes to shit. We will. How am I not filled, bro? Should I just cancel it? This volume is weird. Snakes and ladders. Snakes and ladders, bro. I remember playing that game as a kid on the computer at my neighbor's house. Trying to get a damn call. Why not set a tight? I mean, we're above pre-market low. I just grabbed one. Let's see if we get filled. Are we filled? All right, we're filled now. Watch this candle go to hell. It is almost lunchtime, but it is Friday. I feel like there will be a lot of volume after lunch. Maybe about 12:30 to 1 when people come back. It looks like it's kicking up now. There we go. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's get some upside. Let's get up to here. 435. I'm size light on this because I'm not super confident in this. But alright, we're green. Break even. Snakes and ladders. I can't believe them damn 430s ran like that. I gotta give myself some props though. I do grab some good contracts. I usually trade out the money unless I'm trying to do like a heavy trade. I'll trade in the money or at the money. But when I grab these contracts out the money, man, they're spot on. And when I sell them, I always say to myself, these will probably be in the money by the end of the day. All right, we're up 7%. We're doing all right. There we go. Oh, damn, red candle. Trying to take our gains back from us. Okay, so this, are we gonna turn this into resistance? Let's check the 5 to 10. 5 minute close above. We keep this candle above on the 5 minute, 10 minute, or 15 minute closes above, and the 10 minute can stay above. That'll be good. Wow. What's happening? Let me get to the 1 minute. Look at all this volume. 600K. Out the money for long moves, in the money for scalps. Yep. Exactly what I do. It's just funny that the exact contracts I usually grab are the ones that like are just in the money. Still can't believe last Friday, dude. I had 426 and 427 calls for like $15, $20. Them things ran to like 400, 300, 400, 500. Imagine if I loaded up on them and held all day. And once you're so far in profit, sometimes you can be a little more risky too. We're just gonna be patient with this trade, and we'll wrap up when we're done this. Probably about 15 minutes, 20 minutes. I got a 434 call for $44. Are we green on it now? It was $45. Anyone new to be careful with like certain stocks. You go buy a buy contract, the spread can be $10 off. You know what I mean? There was this one stock a while ago. The spread was like $100. Like it was crazy out there. I've accidentally bought a contract before on some of these other stocks and forgot to set the bid and ask and change it, or the bid price, and got screwed. Because say you buy 10 contracts and there's a $10 difference on the bid and ask, you're automatically down $100 when you enter the contracts if you don't edit and change them. Alright, we are down 8% on this, 10%. Shit, I just got coffee everywhere, man. Damn it, bro. It's like today's just messy. I don't know why the hell I did that. I hope I didn't get it on my laptop keys. Come on, Spy. Are you really about to go back down? How did that pop up? Oh, that's how you do that. That's dope. So if I slide my hand across the mouse pad, then those pop up. That's dope, bro. Let's see if there's something on the other side too. MA5 test first. Volume coming in. Can we get some volume, man? Damn it. I hope I didn't get coffee on there, bro. Shit. What if SPY goes all the way back up? And we're in these 434s and they run like 200%. We might not get the move till after lunch in about an hour. I used to love trading in the afternoon around like 1, 2 o'clock. Because you have all this price action to look at from earlier in the day. So you get a good idea on things. Like if we reject here, you can be like, all right, well this is now resistance, it's pre-market low. Instead of support, which it was in the pre-market. Oh man. We're down about 12%. We'll close this thing out if it really starts to fall underneath. There we go. That's nice. We gotta hold this thing up. We just need buyers to step in. I mean, it's at a nice level here. The pre-market low. There was support here earlier. Um, but maybe the data and the downside and the sellers and shorts are just too much for it today. It could be. I don't know. You know what sucks when there's a trade that you could have just walked away from with your position and left it there and just like them puts, we could have just walked away from the screen for 2 hours and just came back and still been like and made more money than we would have watching it and taking profit. Next time you get a Google call out, Sean, let me know, bro. Obviously, I got your notifications on Twitter now, but you seem to do very well with Google. I like AMD. That's my other stock that I like. Wow, imagine shorting this thing at pre-market low today. You would have called a nice move down. That's why them levels are beautiful. Pre-market levels are so nice sometimes. Bears are trying to push this thing down. I see some buying coming in. Might not be enough though. We get down any further, we're gonna exit this. Shouldn't enter the losing trade, but it was a lot of kind of type deal. It could still be a winning trade though. I'm scared of some volumes about to come in right now though and really send this thing. Alright, we're out of this shit. I knew it. I knew the volume was gonna come in. Lost about 15 bucks on one contract. It's all good. Still got plenty of buying power though. I shouldn't have forced that because that is on my record now, that red trade. But I basically told everyone it's kind of a lot of. So, new love day. Wow. Son of a bitch, bro. Them 430 puts gonna be in the money. Need a piss missile? I was just saying something to you. I don't know if you were on. Next time you call out Google, I'm gonna take that with you. I feel bad for anyone who bought calls today and didn't set a stop loss and walked away to go do something. 'Cause they literally got torched. Look at that, bro. I was in them 429 puts from yesterday. Let me see what those are worth, man. I don't have them anymore. Those are the ones that ran 100% while I was taking a nap. And then I ended up selling for like 40% or something. But I want to see what they're worth now today. They're worth 34. I forget what I bought them for. I wonder if just everyone hops on this thing now and starts shorting it. I think I might get ready to hop off here, make something to eat, and then I personally might take one more trade. Like after that, I might check my computer, see where things are at, but I don't want to force nothing. We got all next week, all the week after. We got plenty of time to make something happen. And we did have an 80% and a 40% today, so that's 120% worth of gains in what, 3 hours? 2.5 hours since the market opens. Yeah, bro. I'm gonna wrap up. I appreciate everyone coming through. We're gonna be back at it Monday. Might drop a video this weekend if my kids don't come by. Then I'll probably just I won't. I'll have a bunch of time on my hands and nothing to do, so I'll probably just watch football and make a video. Look at this, bro. Are you kidding me? Fuck. Are you shitting me, dude? So we just cracked yesterday's low day. Bro, them 430 puts are $71 now. Are you kidding me? Son of a bitch. But yeah, I'm gonna wrap up here. We're gonna be back at it Monday all week. Next Wednesday, this coming Wednesday, I do got something to do in the morning, but I'll be on after that. I got a doctor's appointment this coming Wednesday. That's the only day that I know of that I won't be on right at 9:20. Um, yeah, dude, crazy man. So, and I don't want to buy them again at this price, and then spy pop or something. And yeah, bro, I'll catch you, man. Uh, I got your noties on. Everyone follow NoremTrades on Twitter, and everyone have a good day. Brandon, I'll catch you hopefully next week. Professor, everybody. Appreciate y'all for coming